Hello friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can log out of your account in Snapchat app. Friends, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So, let us get started with you. And please open up the Snapchat app. After which, you'll need to click on your profile picture in the top left corner. And when you go to your Snapchat profile, in the upper right-hand corner, click on the gear. Now scroll down to the very bottom here. And when you scroll down, you'll find the very last feature here, which is called Exit. Click on that. And then to continue, you will just need to click on the word Exit once again. This way, you will easily log out and your account use Snapchat. And after that, if you need to be, after a while you can log into Snapchat. Enter your Snapchat name, your password, and you'll log in again. That's how you'll be able to log out of your Snapchat account, folks. I really hope this video was helpful and that it helped you. Please, friends, put your likes and comments and take care.